Welcome student in fourth session from your textbook chapter number 1 chemical reaction and equation. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about balancing chemical equation by heat and trial method and some points to make the equation more informative. So today we are going to discuss these types of chemical reaction. Some of the important types of chemical reaction are: first, combination reaction; second, decomposition reaction; third, displacement reaction; fourth, double displacement reaction; and fifth, oxidation and reduction reaction. So we will now discuss all these reaction in detail one by one. Let us start with the combination reaction. So from name only, means this name indicate that there is a combine, okay, adding is there. So when two or more substances combine to form a single product, okay, so that reaction is called the combination reaction. Look here, A, okay, adding means A and B are combined together to form a product that is AB. So this kind of equation is called the combination reaction. So we take some example to understand this. Magnesium and oxygen combine, okay, when heated to form a magnesium oxide. Look here, these magnesium and oxygen are element and form the compound. So this reaction can be means that element also, compound and element also, and compound and compound also. So second, look here, this compound, okay, that carbon monoxide react to the oxygen and form the carbon dioxide. So here carbon monoxide, this is compound, and oxygen is element, and combine together and form the carbon dioxide. This is what? Compound. Clear? In next, that compound react to the compound, means two or more compound react together and form a new substance, means new product, okay, that is called compound. So calcium oxide react together, means combine to water to form the calcium hydroxide. Here we see that compound react to the compound and we got the new compound. So this kind of reaction are called the combination reaction. So listen here, means in that reactant, okay, in this reactant element also react, compound and element also react, and two different compound is also react. But in product we always, okay, got the compound. Look here, okay, this means this is the showing this kind of reaction is called the combination reaction. Clear? Now come to the next, decomposition reaction. From name only we can understand that decomposition means breakdown, okay, means इसमें जो भी reacted होता है वो break होता है. When a compound is split up, split means breakdown, into two or more simpler substances, either by heating or passing current or in presence of light. Means this heating, current and light, these are requirement to break down the compound. It means that the decomposition reaction are carried out by applying heat, okay, light, electricity, and that heat, light or electricity provide energy. ये क्या provide करते हैं? Heating, current, light, these provide energy which break, okay, which break a compound into two or more simpler compounds. So that is called the decomposition reaction, and this is opposite of combination reaction. उसमें combine होता था combination reaction में, but in this decomposition there is a breakdown. So look here some examples. Here is calcium carbonate, okay, break down and give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So look here, this, when a decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, okay, by heating, so it is called thermal decomposition reaction. Second reaction is carried out by the action of current. In this, when current passes to this acidified water, then it decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen. Means this electricity, means current, is used to break down this water and give two substances, this hydrogen and oxygen. So this kind of reaction is called the electrolytic decomposition reaction. Now next, that when silver chloride, look here, silver chloride is exposed to light, it decomposes into that silver metal and that chlorine. So this light is used to break down this silver chloride, okay, and gives the two substances. So this kind of reaction is called the photo decomposition reaction. So in that, means light is used, so that's why this name is photo decomposition, and photo means light. Clear? Now here is heating, current and light. These are used to break down the compound and to give, means to change into simpler substances. Clear this one? What we know that today, types of chemical reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. These are the simply that some important reaction are there. So first we taken that combination reaction, when two or more substances combine to form a single product. In this reaction means that element are combined to form a compound, compound and element combine together to form compound, compound and compound will also combine to form a compound. So this kind of reaction is called the combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction, when a compound is split up into two or more simpler substances, either by heating, okay, by heating energy, by passing current, by passing light. So that kind of reaction is called the decomposition reaction. This is the opposite to the combination reaction. Here we taken that some, means if that decomposition reaction is carried out by the action of heat, then we call that thermal decomposition. When decomposition reaction is carried out by passing current, then we call that electrolytic decomposition reaction. And when this decomposition reaction is carried out by the presence of light, that we call photo decomposition reaction. And this decomposition reaction is carried out by electricity, are used to extract several metal from their naturally occurring compounds like chlorides और ऑक्साइड. इसका यूज किया जाता है डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन का टू एक्सट्रैक्ट द सेवरल मेटल्स फ्रॉम देयर नेचुरली ऑकरिंग कंपाउंड्स लाइक क्लोराइड्स और ऑक्साइड. मीन्स जो मेटल रहते हैं वो मीन्स उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट निकाल, मीन्स प्योर फॉर्म के लिए उसको इस एक्शन को यूज किया जाता है रिएक्शन को, जिससे कि आप वो जो ऑक्साइड फॉर्म के मेटल है उसमें से आप प्योर मेटल को एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सके. एंड second example, we means that decomposition reaction in our body also, the digestion of food, okay, this is also one kind of the decomposition reaction. The digestion of food in the body is an example of decomposition reaction. And how? When we eat food, okay, like we eat rice, potatoes, okay, then the starch present in them decompose to give the simpler that sugar like glucose in our body, and the proteins decompose to form amino acid. Means जैसे आप चपातीज, राइस, ओके, सम दैट वेजिटेबल्स, ये सब आप ईट करते हो, जब आप खाते हो तो दीज आर द स्टार्च प्रेजेंट, ओके, इन सब में क्या प्रेजेंट रहता है? स्टार्च. एंड जैसे डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन इसमें स्टार्ट होती है, ओके, देन इट सिंपलर मीन्स ब्रेक डाउन, इट डिकम्पोज इनटू शुगर, ओके, लाइक दैट ग्लूकोज in the body, and some that proteins decompose into amino acid. Clear this one? So these are the uses of decomposition reaction. Clear? Thank you.